Recall the standard sequence at a typical chemical synapse. 1. An action potential arrives at the presynaptic terminal. 2. Depolarization opens voltage-gated Ca superscript 2 plus channels in the presynaptic membrane. 3. Ca superscript 2 plus influx into the terminal triggers synaptic vesicle fusion, exocytosis, and neurotransmitter release into the synaptic cleft. 4. Neurotransmitter diffuses across the cleft. 5. It binds to specific receptors on the postsynaptic membrane. 6. Depending on receptor and ion channel type, particular ions flow, generating a postsynaptic potential, EPSP or IPSP. Thus, option B is correct as it accurately describes the entire process.